Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about my top crypto stock pick for this next bull market, guys, as it's coming along. If you're trying to find some exposure in the traditional stock market to crypto assets, there are a couple different options that you guys have. And down the road, you'll have access to the Bitcoin spot ETF when that gets approved. But in the meantime, what stock should you be looking at in your traditional portfolio if you want some crypto exposure? Well, we're going to talk about that stock that I like the most in this video, guys. Smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop right in. So the overall market cap, it's a $1.05 trillion market cap, which is very, very large. Right now, though, the market cap of NVIDIA is actually bigger than the entire market cap of crypto, currently sitting at about $1.5 trillion. So obviously, we believe here at the Crypto Report, there's a lot more upside for the crypto market. But in some of these other assets out there, there's likely going to be some upside as well. And the number one pick for me is Coinbase stock. And there's a couple reasons why that I'm going to share with you in this video. Top U.S. crypto exchange, Coinbase adds PayPal's dollar-backed stablecoin PYUSD to listing roadmap. There is speculation right now that Coinbase and PayPal are going to kind of team up to further the crypto initiative here in the United States. And with PayPal recently launching this stablecoin, that could be very good for them. And Coinbase hopping on board just shows that partners are looking for Coinbase to get on board as they're entering this space. You can look at some other stories and understand the same thing as well. Look at Canada right now. Right now, Canadian banking giants are trying to promote crypto. This is something we see going on. There's a big push. Everybody wants to talk with Coinbase right now, including BlackRock. We're talking about one of the biggest events coming in this crypto bull market that should be coming around the corner is the BlackRock spot ETF for Bitcoin. They're naming Coinbase as their not only surveillance sharing partner, but also as the custodians for their Bitcoin that they intend on holding for this Bitcoin ETF. That's very, very significant. Now, as for the price action of Coinbase, this is one of the most logical things really that I look at and to kind of understand that, hey, I think this thing's undervalued right now. And, I think that there's going to be a lot of upside for this in the next bull market because this launched in April of 2021, right at the end of this bull market and moved into, here you go, you have November, September, October, November, and then you have the FTX crash, which was right here, and Coinbase stock totally fell down. Now, recently, it tried to break out past a previous resistance at, let's say, about just over $100 at about $110, rejected, came right back down. Now, realistically, guys, we expect some downside in September, which maybe we come back down to like a $50 price level for Coinbase stock, possibly even down a little bit lower, maybe even to the low at around $30 as a lowest point. But then you get back into the bull market and this thing launched at a price of $425. If crypto is roaring and a Bitcoin spot ETF is approved and money starts to flow into Coinbase, I think that could turn into quite a bit of money. At the end of the day, when there's $1 trillion in this asset class, you can see that trillions more dollars are going to flow in. And if Coinbase is really one of the premier exchanges and the biggest partners to some of these spot ETFs that are going to get approved, and they're going to be the custodian for not only BlackRock, but Fidelity as well, and some of these other large players, then this stock might be something to be reckoned with. Now, moving from a $50 price, say we get back down to $50, all the way up to the previous high at 400, let's call it $400. Guys, that's pretty decent. That's an 8x opportunity for you right there, and there may be more upside than that. 800% gains in the traditional market is incredibly spectacular. You can look back to the history of like Tesla over the last 5 years. It's gone up about 1,500% over the last 5 years. Coinbase in the next bull market might do 800%. That would be absolutely spectacular. But you do have to be aware that the Fed Chair Jerome Powell came out and said inflation is still too high, which means, guys, that interest rates might be coming. And leading into an FOMC meeting at the end of September, I'm expecting bearish price action in the crypto market. So if you're trying to buy some Coinbase stock or crypto in general, I'm looking at the end of September as a potential entry point if Fed Chair Jerome Powell raises the rates and crashes the markets, it could be a little bit more risk off for a little bit before we come into more risk on plays going into a presidential election in the year 2024 and the Bitcoin halving when a bull market really comes. I'm so excited, guys. I think that Coinbase is a spectacular stock pick, guys. Clearly a huge player in the crypto space, being a custodian for the world's largest asset manager. If they launch a spot Bitcoin ETF alone is a bullish reason that I'm looking to buy that in my traditional portfolio here in the upcoming months and weeks ahead, guys. Just looking out for a good opportunity and a good dip. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.